Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use a simplified video editor. First, launch your chosen editor and import all your video clips and images. Next, drag these media files directly onto the timeline, arranging them in your desired sequence. You can easily trim the beginning or end of any clip by dragging its edges, or split a clip into two separate parts with a single click. This foundational step sets up your entire project. Now, let's enhance your video. Smoothly transition between scenes by selecting from a variety of built-in effects, like a fade or a wipe. You can also add text overlays to introduce new sections or provide context, choosing from many fonts and colors. Don't forget to add background music or sound effects to set the mood, adjusting their volume for perfect balance. These elements significantly boost viewer engagement. Next, we'll refine your footage with some basic adjustments. Easily modify the brightness, contrast, and saturation to improve visual quality. Experiment with various filters to give your video a consistent and professional aesthetic. If a shot is off-kilter, you can quickly rotate it or crop out unwanted areas to focus on the main subject. These small tweaks make a big difference in the final presentation. Finally, it's time to export your completed video. Select your preferred output format, such as MP4, and choose a suitable resolution, like 1080 pixels, for high quality. Designate a specific folder on your computer where the final file will be saved. Many editors also offer direct sharing options to popular social media platforms, making it easy to showcase your work to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.